And here she is, our favorite to take the title in the golden bib, Lorraine Huber out of Austria.
So it's crunch time again for the cut and now for the title. This is what it comes down to, the show between Ariana and Lorraine. Young gun against experienced rider, as we had it in the previous category with the women's snowboarding. And I must say, I've never seen Lorraine ski stronger than this season. As it is a mental game in this business, on this level, she did a lot of work on that and it paid off. She is such a solid skier now in competition. She always was in free skiing, but now she transformed that skill to handle that pressure into the competition, and you can see it here. Very solid skiing, no hesitation.
And of
arcing her turns.
Speed is not a factor, but she's going fast.
She is. Very fluid, committed. That is going to be... I don't want to jinx her.
No, let's let her get to the finish line first. And while we wait for her to get there, once again, 2 wins on tour so far this year for Lorraine Huber. First place at the Chamonix event rerun in Andorra, and first place in Fieberbrunn, Austria as well, with a second in Haines, Alaska. And a very straightforward line, but very fast, very fluid. Got some good drops in there. And I'm with you, Martin. I think that she definitely will be finishing in front of Ariana at this point. Once again,
she doesn't know yet.
No.
I can tell you.
But she's happy. Look at you.
She is. And she had the right approach from the beginning of the season and also for this contest. She wants to be happy with her line, and she can be because she rode strong, solid. It was not the most technical section she went into. She played it safe on that part, but definitely strong riding, no hesitation. And I would not be surprised if she is overtaking Ariana here. Second person down the mountain, and it would mean the World Championship title.
If Lorraine is, let's put it this way, for Lorraine is 6, which I don't think can happen.
No, it doesn't, because Ariana would be...
is still behind her, that's exactly it.
If she's in front, she is the world champion.
And here's the moment of truth, and there it is, 74.66 points.
And she realizes right now.
Lorraine Huber.
No, she doesn't.
No, I don't think she's...